Unit 6. Clever Creatures. Listening 6. Read and listen.
Which are the most intelligent animals in the world? It's difficult to say, because different animals have different types of intelligence. For example, dolphins can speak a type of language. Also, some birds remember where they built nests and fly hundreds of miles to go back there. Or what about spiders? They make amazing webs, so maybe spiders are very intelligent too. Now let's meet 3 very clever creatures. Coco the gorilla can talk. She lives in California in the USA, and she can use sign language to talk to people. Her teacher, Penny Patterson, has taught Coco more than 1,000 signs for different objects, actions and feelings. Coco invents new signs when she sees new things. The first time she saw a duck, she used the sign for water and the sign for bird. Penny believes that all gorillas can learn to use sign language because they are a very intelligent species. Crows are intelligent birds. Betty, a crow who lives in England, is especially intelligent. The amazing thing about Betty is that she makes tools to get her food. It's not unusual for crows to use twigs to pull food from holes in trees or in the ground. Betty can do more than that. She can pick up a piece of wire and bend it to make a hook. The hook is better than a straight piece of wire because Betty can use it to get her food more easily. What's more, she didn't make a hook just once, by accident. She has made hooks many times while some scientists were watching her. Betty wasn't just lucky, she learnt and she remembered. Now imagine an elephant that can paint. Sao is a 35-year-old elephant who lives in Thailand. When Sao was young, she worked in the forests. She used to pull up trees so that people could sell the wood. Then, in the 1980s, companies stopped selling wood from the forests because there were not enough trees left. Luckily, Sao has found a new job. She is a painter. She can hold a paintbrush with her trunk and paint beautiful pictures. There are lots of elephant artists like Sao in Thailand. People can visit exhibitions and buy paintings by Sao and other amazing elephants. Sao's keepers are going to use the money from the paintings to help protect elephants.